All right. Well, it is bedtime for them, so most of them are not concerned with doing anything but finding them a roosting spot for the night. But tomorrow they will have plenty to do, and they are going to have a field day skimming through those leaves. And those leaves help out with a lot of things. It helps to keep the smell down. When you keep the smell down, you attract less peasants and predators, and it keeps the dogs from being so curious too, because you know dogs like stinky stuff, and it keeps the coop warm, and it'll be great for a tomato garden next spring. Check it.